Are you a site engineer and in panic at construction site because of not knowing what and how to supervise the plastering works at site? Then please listen to these 3 tips, site techniques, which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 3. After completion of the plastering works. Tip number 4. Check and ensure that the water to be used for curing shall be clean and free from saline. Tip number 5. Check and ensure that the curing is carried out without keeping the surface dry till the completion of curing period. Tip number 6. Check and ensure that a separate person is kept for the curing and does like daily rituals. Thanks for listening. We'll meet in the next video.